Greetings, I'm Harold Pickering with HP, and I'm here to tell you a story, an amazing story about HP's transformational innovations that are critical to how you access, move and publish your business content now and in the future. OXP and Futuresmart. So let's get started. Once upon a time, not so long ago, HP set out on a course to build smarter printers. Printers with adaptability, future flexibility. Printers that could keep pace with change. Hardware that didn't have to be quite so hard. Devices that, just like smartphones, could have business applications downloaded to them, so think systems, security, workflow, accounting. As technologies evolve over time, regulations change, upgrades have to be made, and all of a sudden your old devices need to play with newer devices. Things could get hairy. OXP provides a common development platform and language for developers, and enables them to interact with these amazing devices. A platform that will stay consistent far into the future. Developers can not only build applications for today, but any application that they may dream of in the future will also run on these devices. With the new OXP 1.6 and its web services technology, HP can move new complex printing or document processes out of all the devices and into the fabled cloud or a server. Move processing out of the device and increase the device's performance. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Want more from OXP? How's this? Imagine one user interface across all your devices, old and new, making it a consistent user experience. So now the 4-year-old device at the end of the hallway starts acting like the new device you added last week. That's OXP, and that's just the beginning. Now it's time to fast forward into innovation number 2. Futuresmart. What's Futuresmart? Well, for a start, it's smart. It's a new generation of firmware on the new HP devices. Futuresmart gives the extraordinary ability to run a virtually endless array of applications, features, functions, solutions, and services that you access and implement directly from your multifunction printer. So anything a developer can dream of, we can make our printers do. And that, friends, isn't just brilliant, it totally rocks. Now, you know that new HP MFP that you bought today? Well, it's got game. In fact, it's game-changing because it's got Futuresmart. And here's a simple way to explain how it works. Let's say you have a car. Then one morning, you come out to your car and discover it's doing things it didn't do yesterday. It gets better fuel economy, it's got GPS, and it automatically updates your iPod playlist. All good things. The car didn't change. It's the same car. It's just behaving like you bought it today because it's been updated with today's intelligence. Okay, back to our devices. Listen carefully now. Here comes the grand finale. So with the new Futuresmart inside that MFP, you can choose to keep improving and increasing that MFP's capabilities as technology travels ever forward. So as the years go by, the MFP you bought in 2010 will continue to stay as adept and capable as the one you buy far into the future. What's more, when all your devices with Futuresmart need to get their upgrades, unlike in the past, it can now happen simultaneously for the entire fleet. That's Futuresmart firmware, preparing today's printers for tomorrow's technologies. OXP and Futuresmart from HP. 2 innovations that are not only transforming printing, but are also really good for your business.